Hi guys, it's the film term 90. I'm gonna mess up my intro like already. My new one, pretty stupid. Vlog number 2. Vlog. I kind of got messed up with the vlog and vlog. So you know how I said that what's creepy about like how we have a broken shed or something that's pretty big, like. You see right there? Right there. I'm going to be exploring it from the inside. And I mean, I'm doing this for you guys. Because I feel like we should... Oh yeah, and I'll be going under the pool. I showed you. I'll be going underneath it. Ow. Ow, my foot. My foot hurts. Oh my gosh. No, it hurts like crap. Oh, crap. That's kind of... I'm gonna show you the inside. I should have brought a flashlight. Holy crap. It's not too bad. It was not like yesterday when it was freezing. So you guys, holy crap. No, nearly dropped it. Sorry if guys if that messed up. Here you go. So. Yeah, I don't even want to do this. Not so bad. You guys can't see me, probably. Well, I mean, from my angle. Guys. You know I'm doing it. The fudge. Oh, I'm done. Oh my god! Wait, I seen something in there. And I don't want to do it again. Oh my god, what are you doing, Bo? Please don't go down there. Guys, I'm sorry, I couldn't do that. I said I was going to do that. Oh my god. I like seen this weird thing moving like something like I don't know what I'm doing. But I know I'm gonna go. I mean, this is like the worst time. It's like 3, maybe it's actually probably like 4, nearly 4 right now. Oh my god, it's so cold. And oh my god, Bo, you're such a devil. A rebel, I should say. And I'll be going inside this thing. I'll go inside the garage. That's pretty messed up. So, you see that in there? Yeah. Yeah. I'll be going inside of there. And I've done this a couple of times, so I shouldn't really be a chicken. I don't know if you guys can see this. Hey, Bobo, where are you at? Usually I really want that company. Ow. You guys can see all the cracks that are underneath. Holy crap. Look at this. It looks like a beehive, but it's actually just a fence. Kind of reminds me. Hi, Bobo. Thank you for coming over here. You can't really see him. He's a black dog, so... Yeah. No. What the? Oh my god, I feel like this is like the paranormal activity. Oh my god. This dog is like gonna be the death of me. By giving me a heart attack soon. Oh my god. Oh my god. So I mean, I'll do more of these. Oh, hi, Easy. You finally want to come out? Wait, please don't. No, don't go up the stairs. I said don't go up the stairs, or I'll be so mad. so mad. Hold on, I'll be going into the long thing. There's no way I can get up to the top, actually. I mean, if I could, if I wanted to reach Daredevil and climb all the way on those tiny bars. Look! Hey, come here. It's okay. Come here. It's okay. You're gonna go inside, aren't you? Oh, you son of a gun. He didn't listen. Oh, Bo just knows exactly where I'm going. He's such a smart dog. Oh my God, if only I got you. You know the aunt that was dark hair? She got a new dog. I forgot the name. I don't remember his name. I think it starts with a B. I can't really tell you the name because I don't remember. But he's so cute and fluffy. It's so dang cute. I think. Okay, so I'm going in here. I feel like it's crap. Look at this. Oh, look at this. Oh, look at this. How? I hit my foot. Oh crap, he kind of boarded it up. Not really though. There's one hole, see? Kind of boarded it up. Oh wait, we're really close to the garage, hold on. And I can go in that garage. I've done it like 5 times. And the reason why holy crap. The reason why I didn't, when I went under there, kind of creepy. Everything's so creepy. Somebody get the towel. Why did I say a towel? It's probably because I seen a towel swaying. Like, you can see how crazy it is. Like but you can see how so damp out. Oh my God, this scared the holy. You guys want to see a dead deer? Show you dead deer. Again. Hi, Bobo. Oh my God, when is... I need to sit back on. I don't know why I did that. Okay, you guys need to check out this app on your phone or something. You can play it on the computer too. It's called Monster Legends. It's a really cool game. It's very addicting for me. And then you should try out my single stuff. Usually in the Monster Legends, because I got like good monsters. Also, they made an update where there's Vanos, H2O Delirious, Terrorizer. What's the other one? There's one that says Dr. Victor. I think there's just Vanos, Terrorizer, and H2O Delirious. But I mean, ow. My guys, you don't know how hard this hurts my foot. I would go in that tiny shed, but I mean, that's where dead chickens were once. So I don't really want to. Maybe I'll get haunted by dead chickens. Yeah. Has she done that? I swear to God. So comes. It's It's Izzy. Run. Dun, 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 dun. So cold. So cold. When is she gonna go inside? Whoever that thing, or whatever that thing. What is that person doing? No, I'm just kidding. It's my great grandma. Grandma. I call her my grandma because I call my real grandma Alma. And my Alma was the one in the black hair. Oh my god. Still trying to remember the name. But I'll show you guys the dead deer once she goes inside. Shoot. Question Quagmire. What the heck? Question Quagmire. I feel like I should go in there. But I mean, it could be a trap. Yeah, I'm done. Are you serious right now? Oh yeah, question Quagmire. What? Question Quagmire? Question Quagmire, sir? I didn't question Quagmire. Why am I saying question Quagmire? I'm safe. Yeah, I'm safe. Okay. So, you guys want to see what the deer I said? Here you go. The bloody deer. Laying on some soda pop cans. Oh, I'd say fascinating. Never seen one like it. Moving on. Goodbye, dear. Rest in peace. I love animals. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. My hand's so cold, man. I got school tomorrow at 6. Oh yeah. I didn't get to show you guys the inside of garage. Going by the deer. Kind of freaked out. I can't even open the door with my foot. Oh. If you guys don't see that deer. Bobo. Bobo, come out, please. I'll lock you in here, boy. I'm not scared. Ew, ew. Come on, don't drink blood. I'm pretty sure that's exactly what that was there. Holy frick, did you guys hear that? Oh my god, look at the lights. Look at the pretty lights. Happy holidays. You guys have a happy holiday. Have a great Christmas. I hope you all do. Hope you all do. Da-do. 13 minutes. Holy crap. Nearly 14. Oh yeah, this is the funniest thing I've ever seen. So my great grandpa and my great grandma love the Packers. So they just put this up and they call him Tim. Or Jerry. I think it was Jerry. Or Tim. I don't remember. I gotta be careful here. Hold on, I gotta zoom you guys in. I can't zoom out in this room. I can't zoom. I can't? Oh. I'm just gonna have to get a close up then. It said I can't zoom in or out. See this? Creepy. Freak sign. You never know what's going on until dawn. Until dawn. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. Until dawn. You don't know what's going on. You're exploring. I can't think of a rhyme because I got no dime. I'm poor. My foot is so sore. Someone slammed the door, and it hurt. Without my shirt, cause some girls flirt. That makes no sense. Usually everybody flirts. Oh, that's a bird. Wait, that's an owl. Oh my God, please come back. Crap, I have like no interesting things. You probably think I'm dumb. Everybody thinks I'm probably dumb. Cause I'm stupid and don't know what I'm doing. I can't do anything. Probably true. I mean, I have like horrible videos. Not gonna lie. Probably everybody thinks that I'm just being stupid. Everybody's just like gonna dislike this and be like, this boy's stupid. Can I do this? Am I breaking the law of gravity? No, no. Oh my God. Oh my God, I can't do it. That would be so. That'd be cool. I can't do it. Oh boy, no, I'm done. Hands pulled. You guys don't even know. Soon after this, I'm gonna be starting a new thing where I'm gonna be playing Monster Legends and start a new account. Because I'm gonna forget everything probably. I usually forget things in a matter of 3 days. Ooh. Hi, Bobo. Well, gonna have to end the video. Like and subscribe for more. The Film Term 93.